Hi everyone, I am so delighted to see you. Welcome to EEP 2 English for Speech Communication Week 4 Lecture Discussion video. I am Gomer J. Legaspi, a Faculty of Communication and Humanities and one of your instructors in EEP 2. In our last video, we had our lesson in the sounds of English, Consonant Sounds Part 1. And in this lesson, we will have the consonant sounds part 2. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's begin with the sound P. Words like paper, pick, person, pour. Can you produce the sound and read the words for me? Very good. The next sound is R, R. Words like rocky, rise, Ronald, breathe. Can you produce the sound and read the words for me? The next sound is S, S. Words like scent, song, stiffy, system. Can you produce the sound S and read the words for me? Wonderful. The next sound is T, T. Words like task, tell, time, tone. Can you produce the sound T and read the words for me? Perfect. The next sound is V, V. Words like violet, vein, van, vague. Can you produce the sound V and read the words for me? Fantastic! The next sound is words like wall, way, war, west. Can you produce the sound and read the word for me? Wow! The next sound is ya, ya. Words like year, yacht, yes, yawn. Can you produce the sound ya and read the words for me? Tremendous! The next sound is z, z. Words like zero, zoo, horizon, puzzle. Can you produce the sound z and read the words for me? Keep going. The next sound is mm, mm, or in the alphabet that is ng. Mm. Words like sing, finger, bling, anger. Can you produce the sound and read the words for me? I like that. The next sound is ch, ch. Words like Mozart, pizza, church, bleach. Can you produce the sound ch and read the words for me? Keep it up. The next sound is sh, sh. Words like nation, sash, flush, bush. Can you produce the sound sh and read the words for me? Outstanding! The next sound is words like thank, thick, think, thought. Can you produce the sound and read the words for me? Way to go! The next sound is th, th. Words like this, that, then, though. Can you produce the sound th and read the words for me? You are learning fast. The next sound is zh, zh. This is the last and the 24th sound of the consonants. Zh. Words like garage, mirage, pleasure, measure. Can you produce the sound and read the words for me? Now, for the last time, the last 14 consonant sounds, let us review them. Okay, let's produce the last 14 consonant sounds. Repeat after me. P, p, r, r, s, s, t, t, v, v, w, w, ya, ya, z, z, mm, mm, ch, ch, sh, sh, v, v, and finally, zh, zh. Do you have questions? If there is none, let's try reading this word. Can you read this word? Any guesses? How about a try? Anyone? The word is read as fish. The word spelled G-H-O-T-I is read as fish. If you want to know why it is read as fish, search for your answer and learn why it is the best example used to learn the English pronunciation idiosyncrasies. If you don't have any questions, please answer this 24-item self-check consonant sounds identification. Each item has a word, and a syllable, letter, or letters are underlined. Identify its consonant sound. To check for your answers, the answer key is in the LMS. But before going to the answer key, pause this video and try answering this 24-item self-check consonant sounds identification. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, ZayTV, and click the notification bell. Thank you for coming today and see you in our next lessons. Bye-bye.